Right now, protesters against the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade and federal abortion rights started marching to the Texas state capitol. They gathered firstly at Republic Square Park. Austin Police Chief Joseph Chacon calls on people to protest peacefully as nationwide law enforcement is on a heightened state of alert following that ruling. For 2 years now, the city of Austin has been providing money to help women get abortions. Now it's unclear what will happen to the abortion assistance funding. KXAN's Taharad Rahman reports city leaders are organizing a special called meeting to figure out their next steps.
Emma looks forward to motherhood one day.
By doing so in the proper context where my body is prepared for that.
When she found out she was pregnant in February, Planned Parenthood turned her away since she had likely been pregnant for 6 weeks. Texas law had already banned abortions after that point. So she found someone to get her abortion pills.
But in order to even access those, I had to, of course, not want to get them in a legally precarious situation either, provided them very little information as to who they were for, what they were for.
She didn't want us to show her face. She's worried about the legal repercussions now that Roe versus Wade has been overturned. It's a situation city council members want to avoid for other women. Since 2020, they've been providing funding for things like transportation and childcare for women who seek abortions.
So is this at risk, this funding, of being dismantled in light of today's SCOTUS decision?
You know, we're talking to the lawyers about that now.
The city says it's prepared to protect abortion rights however they can.
There could be a special called meeting of the city council in July. And I think that'll be the time to really discuss all of these things.
Taharad Rahman, KXAN News.
Critics of the city's abortion access fund say the city should instead fund pregnancy support programs. Mayor Adler says they do both. Councilmember Jose Chito Vela is proposing city leaders meet soon. He wants to pass the GRACE Act, and this would suggest that the city not allow funds to be used to collect or report evidence related to abortion. It would also direct the city manager to make abortion the lowest priority for criminal investigation and enforcement. Whole Women's Health and Planned Parenthood both announced they've stopped performing abortion services here in Texas. They explained they need to see how this ruling impacts services and any laws on abortion on the books from before Roe versus Wade. For an in-depth perspective, pregnancy support clinics that have never performed abortions before the overturn don't have to worry about that. KXAN spoke with The Source about their response to this news this morning. The faith-based center says they've been preparing for this for months.
We feel ready. We know that there are going to be a lot of women who are confused about what this law means for them, who will be looking for help, and we want to continue to be that safe space to provide that support.
While The Source changed their staff numbers in anticipation of more appointments, they will continue with the regular services, including counseling and gynecological care other than abortion. Just this month, Quinnipiac University released a poll of Texans' thoughts on a number of issues. Nearly 60% felt abortion should be legal in some form or fashion. 35% wanted some type of restriction, with 12% wanting an outright ban. The polling showed an 8% increase in support for abortion rights just since September. All of this started with Texas. In 1969, Norma McCorvey was pregnant for a third time. She gave up her 2 previous children. She wanted an abortion. It was illegal at the time in Texas. Her attorneys filed on her behalf in Dallas County but used a legal pseudonym, Jane Roe. After appeals, the Supreme Court would decide in her favor in 1973. McCorvey would become an advocate against abortion in her later years, converting to Roman Catholicism in 1998. A dying McCorvey claimed in a documentary she had been paid by anti-abortion groups for her support. She passed away in 2017 in Katy. We have much more in-depth coverage right now. You can head over to the homepage at KXAN.com.